Hashmap in Python. I want to implement a hashmap in Python. I want to ask a user for an input. Depending on his input, I am retrieving some information from the hashmap. If the user enters a key of the hashmap, I would like to retrieve the corresponding value. How do I implement this functionality in Python?
Python dictionary is a built-in type that supports key-value pairs. It's the nearest built-in data structure relative to Java's hashmap. You can declare a dict with key-value pairs set to values. You can also set a key-value mapping after creation. Another way to create a dictionary is with the dict built-in function, but this only works when your keys are valid identifiers.
All you wanted, at the time the question was originally asked, was a hint. Here's a hint: in Python, you can use dictionaries.
It's built in for Python. See dictionaries. Based on your example. You could then access it like so. Also worth mentioning, it can use any non-mutable data type as a key. That is, it can use a tuple, boolean, or string as a key.
Hash maps are built in Python. They're called dictionaries. Usage. See the documentation for more information, for example built-in methods and so on. They're great, and very common in Python programs, unsurprisingly.
And to retrieve values. Or. That's using number as keys. Put quotes around the numbers to use strings as keys.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.